As the weather cools down, you may be thinking of turning on your furnace for the season. Before you do, learn 4 warning signs that indicate you may need house heater repair so you don't end up having your system break down on you just when you need it most. Lack of maintenance. You should have your unit inspected once a year before you use it to make sure everything is working optimally. Strange sounds. When you turn your furnace on, you should not hear any knocking, whining, or screaming coming from within the unit. Turning on and off randomly. You may notice that your furnace is having a hard time keeping your temperature at a warm level. This is usually caused by your unit kicking on and then turning off randomly throughout the day. This is a strong warning sign that the wires connected to your pilot light are faulty, loose, or disconnected, or that your pilot light itself is not working properly. Failure to turn on. If your furnace fails to turn on, the most common issue is your pilot light being out. If your unit won't turn on but emits smoke when you attempt to start it, then your motor may be clogged or worn out. If you may notice some of these warning signs that indicate house heater repair is needed. Don't ignore them, call KC's Plumbing. Our office number 604-873-3753.